Hi, my name is Shuichi Kotani. I am a noodle chef of the Worldwide Soba Inc. in New York. Today is a very exciting guest from Japan. He is president of Yamato Noodle Machine Company in Japan. Today, I try to share how to making craft difficult gluten-free noodle with world ingredients.
Important thing to make gluten-free noodle. Not only we can make noodle, but also this noodle must be healthy and tasty. Many times find out gluten-free okay, but not tasty many times. So I try to make healthy and also very tasty noodle.
We made yesterday, so still sticking together amazing. So yeah, it's very good. I did try to learn from 3 days, and you making great gluten-free noodle, and then so you show us for the many broths, kind of vegetable broth, pineapple broth, apple broth, avocado. Wow! So I never using more to the broth, but everything good balance with the gluten-free noodle is everybody cannot believe, but after taste, everybody love it. I never see gluten-free noodle with unique ingredients, but you try always challenge for the new recipes. So for the gluten-free noodle, I want to just share for the many people for his passion, but only passion cannot for the learning, but he can teaching us for the very so that is a really method to and then perfect recipe for. Making perfect gluten-free noodle. Please push subscription if you like this Noodle Network TV. We can share more interesting information from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So finally, so you always doing stand up for the what? Yeah.